I just wanted to tell you that, like, in a few weeks, I'm just going to be doing a Ding Dong Ditch video. I only have 2 subscribers. I need some more. I only started doing videos like 2 weeks ago, I think. Yeah, I think so. But I need some more subscribers and more likes in my videos. I know I got 18 views on that, seeing if Captain America can fly. Yeah. And I just made a new one today called Bananas Hyper Suds. Whoa, what is that? Y'all see that? That blue thing.
I'll be back later.
Okay. The fuck? Y'all see it now? Bro, is that a fidget spinner? Bro, no way. No way. Oh my god. Holy crap. Dude, I just found a fidget spinner laying on the dang road. Holy crap. It worked perfect. Oh my god. It works fine. Oh my. Look at that. Dude, that is sick. Dude. Well, I was just going to talk about some stuff. Oh my god, I can't believe I found that. Now, I'm going to end the video since I just found this. Oh my god. But the bad thing about it is it's cracked right up here. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I'm just going to end the video here because I just found a fidget spinner on the road. So, I was going to talk about what I'm going to, some more videos that I'm going to do. But since I just found this, I am going to end the video. Bye, guys.